All right, today I'm going to talk about detoxification, Oriental medicine, and juicing. And it's going to be a lot of fun, and I hope you can join us because this is so important for you. And let's take a peek here. These are going to be my juicing ingredients: carrot, lemon, ginger, garlic, beet, apple, celery, and kale. And as we look at these, we can see a huge variety of colors. But each one of these colors has different nutrients, different antioxidants. So we know beets are full of iron, and carrots have a lot of beta carotene. Good for the eyes, good for the vision. Lemons are sour, and they have a lot of vitamin C. Apple's sweet. There's a lot of pectin and fiber in there. And the celery and the kale have a lot of chlorophyll. And if you study each one, you're going to find a huge plethora of all kinds of health benefits. Each one of these is unique, but when we can combine them together in a juice, we're going to get a concentrated liquid of minerals, nutrients, vitamins, phytochemicals, phytonutrients. And when we drink that, it's going to go through our system. And the key thing we want to happen, in with the good, out with the bad. And the key thing we want out, according to Ayurvedic medicine, we want the ama. We want to get all this metabolic waste, this toxic, sticky substance that's very difficult to let the body function normal. When that gets in there, it messes everything up. In Oriental medicine, we call it tannin. Tannin is also a mucousy, sticky, phlegmy type of substance that can be stuck in your cells, in your organs, your tissues, your lymph, and get throughout your body and cause all kinds of issues, all kinds of metabolic problems, all kinds of diseases, all kinds of health issues. And it's going to take the function of your entire body and just drop it straight down. So this ama in Ayurvedic medicine, the tannin in Oriental medicine, we want it out. And out of the entire year, the most important is the springtime because it's associated with the wood element. And that's the time when the energy starts to come from within, deep inside, and release and come back out. See, in the wintertime, everything went deep in and down and inside. And in the springtime, it all opens back up and comes back out. But if you don't follow nature and you don't ever detox in your life, this stuff may accumulate. And then what's inside is all this phlegm, these toxins, these heavy metals, these metabolic waste products, all these parasites, the bacteria, the microbes. When they stay in there, they start to grow and mutate and change. And they'll break your DNA down. They'll mess up your mitochondria. They'll make your organ functions decrease. So every spring, you got to do the detox of springtime and clean it out. So the two flavors we need is sweet and pungent. And that's what we have here today. So the sweet foods are going to be our carrots and the beets and the apples and these vegetables. And we have sour too. We got lemon. I'm putting that in there because lemon, the sour flavor goes to the liver as well, but it's got vitamin C. It's very detoxifying. Also, in the peel, we have limonene. And the limonene is a oily substance, very, very cleansing and detoxifying for the body. Then we got some ginger. The ginger and the garlic, these are our pungent herbs. So we use both of these because this one can help stimulate gastric juice. And the pungent flavor, it likes to break things open. So the garlic, it also likes to break things and kill parasites. So these two pungent, spicy herbs, they're very good for breaking up stagnations, accumulations, phlegm, mucus, all this ama stuff. So as we juice this together, we're going to also have celery. Celery is full of chlorophyll. It's got a lot of salts in there, and it's got a lot of potassium and other nutrients. It's got the ability, it's a strong diuretic. It's a very powerful diuretic. Beets, they can affect the nitric oxide. They're high in iron. They can build the blood, clean the blood, purify the liver. So all of a sudden we got kidney stuff, we got liver stuff. And then as we juice these together, it's going to cause a reaction to the liver, kidneys to clean out all that toxins, metabolic waste in there. And then we got kale with the stems. The stem is very good for our bones. There's a lot of vitamin K in here, a lot of chlorophyll. So this kale we grew in our own garden. And this is organic and it's fresh. So when we use that, we're going to get more photons, electrons, more energy. So the fresher, the better. The more alive, the better. But we got to deal with what we deal with because the carrots I had to buy organic from the grocery store. But as we juice all these together, let's go ahead and get started. I just got this juicer. I used to have a $350 juicer, and it was really a great one, and it broke. And to replace it was $650. So I bought this Black & Decker from Walmart for 50 bucks. And to tell you the truth, I can juice faster, quicker, and clean up quicker than my other really expensive juicer that's $600 now. And this was 50 bucks at Walmart. So don't get confused on the price. Simple, just get it done, and then you can enjoy the juice. But we'll go ahead and turn this on. Here goes the ginger and the garlic. We got some lemon. We got the apples. Apple's sweet, and it's quite good for helping the bowel movement because it has lots of fiber, but it helps the flavor of all the juices. We got the beet, helps the nitric oxide, helps the blood flow. Alright, we'll go ahead and finish there. You can see how fast that was. There's no excuse. Over the years, my patients, juicing's a lot of work. It's so much to clean up. Yeah, well, it's a lot of time to go to the hospital and sit there for, a weekend and spend all your money and your time when you can take care of your health, prevent it. Remember, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So when we got this all juiced up, I like to mix it a little bit by pouring it into a cup and then I reverse it back. So you can see how fast that was. And the healthier you are, there's a reason for that. The more time and energy you focus to do stuff for your health, the more health you'll have. The more health you have more ambition, more drive, more stamina, more motivation. You accomplish more in life. But when your health decreases, so does your drive, your willpower, your stamina, and your inspiration to go out and do things in life. It's all connected. So when we juice and we drink this, you can do it. Right now it's a great time. I would recommend do at least 5 days of juicing in a row. And we have herbal teas in the clinic that we use that can be good for different body types. But this juice is wonderful. And right now is a key window. We're actually about in the springtime, so we have this transition period that's about 18 days. And this occurs 4 times a year. And these are key times to detoxify the body and harmonize the system and balance it. And to learn more about that would be a wonderful thing. But this juice, this is my medicine today. So I want to inspire you to do the same to kill the parasites, get out the ama, the tannin, the metabolic waste. So you release this stuff because as you get all that out, your body will function more optimally. And as that restores, your health will go back up. And sometimes a lot of weird symptoms, they'll just fade away because your body can function more normal. So with that said, I'm going to enjoy my glass of vegetable and juice. So cheers. See you guys later. See ya.